Hello viewers, welcome to Bethelmatics Academy. So in this lesson, I want to show you how to solve questions like this. So in this question, we are given solve for x in x minus 3 square root of x equal to 0. So solution. So the first thing you are expected to do is to cross this minus 3 square root of x to the other side. We will now have x is equal to 3 square root of x, because this is minus. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus. Now the next thing to do, this is square root of x. In indices, if you have a, b, all raised to power n, this means a raised to power n, b raised to power n. Distribution of the power. This is power law. You should distribute the powers to each of the variable inside the bracket. So apply the same thing here. This is square root of x. To remove square root, we square both sides of the equations. So we're going to have x squared is equal to 3 root x all squared. So this becomes x squared is equal to, we're going to distribute this square to 3 and to square root of x. So this square on 3 becomes 3 square. And then this is square root of x all square. Okay, so this is x square. This is equal to 3 square, means 3 times 3, that is 9. And then for this term here, the square root, we cancel the square. So we are left with, that is square root, we cancel square. So we are left with x. So since this is a quadratic equation, we definitely have two solutions for this question, because the highest power of x here is 2. So we are not just going to have one solution, but rather two solutions. The mistake most students will likely make is to say divided by x, divided by x. S will cancel out x. No. If you do that, we are going to end up getting just one solution, which is x is equal to 9. And that will not be all the solutions that will satisfy this equation. So we are going to solve it quadratically. We are going to say x squared. This is 9x. Bring it back inside, it becomes minus 9x equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We cannot proceed by method of factorization. That is to say, what is common here, that is x. So factor x outside, what remains here is x minus what remains here is 9 equal to 0. We can now say x is equal to 0. That means this is equal to 0. And x minus 9 is equal to 0. So this means that x is equal to 9. When you cross the minus 9 across the equal sign, it becomes plus 9. So these two are the solutions. We can test. Let's verify. We are given that x minus 3 square root of x is equal to 0. So let's verify here. When x is equal to 0, so this x minus 3 root x equal to 0. So let's fit in x, let's fit in 0. 0 minus 3 root 0 equal to 0, and this is true because square root of 0 is 0. So 0 times 3 is 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Very correct. Also, let's verify when x is equal to 9. When x is equal to 9, that is 9 minus 3 root 9 equal to 0. Let's verify. This is 9 minus 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 equal to 0. Still very correct. So the two solutions to this question, 0 and 9. I believe this is quite simple, and when you see questions like this, you can smash it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.